My name is Katherina Markovskaya, and I know Fernanda from Paluca School from dance teacher program. I was there in the group 1, so right from the beginning. It was a really pleasure for me to work with Fernando. He is like encyclopedia with the feet. Whatever question you have, he would always have an answer. And if he will not know the answer, he will only say, I don't know the answer, let's search for it together. He would never force you to take his opinion. He will always listen, he will offer you his opinion and also saying things which will convince you. Yeah? Other way around, he will always listen what do you have to say, and if you can prove and convince him about what you're thinking and why you're thinking this way, if you give him evidences, then he'll take it. He would always help. He is so wise man, you know. It's absolutely interesting to talk to him. Things that you think you know, he will force you to rethink just because he will tell you what he thinks about that. So to rethink things which you think you know, it's a very important part to develop your knowledge, to don't stuck on place. And one sentence from him I took over and will use it forever. He always said, it's either wrong or right. This is just different. So we don't use critique, yeah? We don't say it's wrong. It's either wrong or either right. It's just different. And I love this sentence because there is such a deep philosophy in it. And it's not only about ballet, it's a life approach.